What's up, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is, my favorite levels, how I'm going to trade them, basically my game plan for the week. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, click that bell icon so you do not miss on any upcoming videos. So let's just get right into this. So if you zoom out here on the daily time frame on SPY, you can see we have a trend line form, right? So I'm not looking to catch a bounce exactly off this. This may be like a longer term trade. If I see another like green hammer form like this, I may look to enter calls off of this trend line, right? So we'll see how that plays out. That's a longer term trade I'm looking at. But if we come down here and close below this on the daily, that'll open up a whole new type of trade. That's something I have to call out once I see it formed, get the game plan together. Probably be something that plays out inside Team Bull. But anyways, as far as bounce levels for day trades, I really like this 518.2 area. So what I want to see is, I want to see us continue on down, test this area. What I want to see is some aggressive buying in this area. I want to see loss of momentum to the downside. You can take ES longs or SPY calls or SPX calls. Okay, them three I trade together. I prefer SPX options and ES futures. So looking for a bounce here to catch the move back up. Now I'm not looking to catch this whole move in a day trade, right? I'm looking to get in, catch 1 to 2 points on SPY and get out, right? I'm not looking to catch, huge move during a day trade. I just need to be able to identify these key areas, get in, catch that 1 to 2 point move to the upside, lock in my profits, and wait on the next key area to confirm. That's how I day trade. Keep it very simple. Support and resistance, supply and demand, trend, price action. Now let's take a look at SPX. So the trend line is very obvious on SPX on the daily time frame. You can clearly see we have an uptrend, respecting this trend line well. This could possibly be a day trade. I want to see if we pull down, test this. I'll be watching this area closely, but the most obvious bounce level I have, the one, I don't have to strain my eyes to see. I'm going to be watching a nice area of confluence, that 518.4 area. We can just say 518 to like 5189. It's more of an area, but that's what I'm going to be watching for a bounce on SPX. Again, you can trade SPX calls, SPY calls, or ES futures. You can go long in this area. What I'm going to be looking for, as far as rejects go, I don't have nothing until we get up here to this whole psych number, that 5,300. I would possibly give that a try for a put entry or some ES shorts. We'll see what it looks like when we get a little closer to that area. Next up, QQQ. You can trade QQQ options or you can trade NQ futures based off QQQ levels. So the bounce I'm looking for is down around this 440.4 to 441 area. That's where I'd be looking to go long. I like that level a lot, but check this out. We got a nice trend here as well. So it's definitely something to watch. This trend line we have on SPY, SPX, QQQ is very, very obvious. And that's where I'm expecting, the bigger trades to come into play this week if we get down there. Lately the market's been on a tear, so we could very well see that reject level that we talked about on SPX. And just a quick update on a few things for those that was trading with Apex using, my code Grizzly, the funded futures accounts. Receiving my biggest payout yet from them, which I'm very pumped about. I'm glad I'm getting the money, but it's not about the money. Receiving a payout that big is, I feel like that's a win in itself. And also, if you want to get funded with them, check out the link in the description. Use code Grizzly. But the big news I have for you all is the platform, the app I'm building will be ready soon. I've seen it with my own eyes. It was, I've been testing it. It's really coming together nice. It's going to help a lot of people, and it's going to help them in a simple way, very beginner friendly, and it's going to basically help traders of all levels. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I think the way I'm going to drop it is do a webinar with everyone, walk you through it, show you how it's going to help, how to use it. I'm super excited about it. But that's all I have for you all. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.